I made $1,000 using LuxAlgo Premium with the order blocks, and now you will learn the exact trading strategy. LuxAlgo is already profitable and very accurate, but now we will combine with the one of the ICT concepts to make it even more powerful, and I use this strategy on my day trading setups regularly. Now I want to share with you with all details and all the settings. We need 3 different indicators for this exact setup, and now let's go over the indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo, and you will see signals and overlays and the price action concepts. You need to click the add to your chart for both of them, and the third indicator is from the nephew Sam, and you will see order blocks indicator. Click that to your chart, and after you add these indicators you will see 3 different things on your chart. Now let's hide everything and let's leave the order blocks on the chart. The order blocks indicator will give you blue line and the red line. This order blocks indicator is using very simple. When you see the blue line, it means a bullish order block. When you see the red line, it means a bearish order block. The method of order blocks is very easy actually. When you see this candle closes above those candles, it will create an order block, and it means a bullish or bearish activity in the most basic way. It's very easy to use, it's not complicated, so relax. Now let's go over the settings for the order blocks indicator, and please copy everything you see here. And I have enabled the order blocks, obviously the close, the tree, the body, and you don't need to enable this. For the style, it is the default settings. Just hit the OK button. Now let's enable the signals and overlays. This is one of my favorite indicator in the whole indicator world. So what I enabled is the AI classifier. My sensitivity is 12. This is my to-go sensitivity when it comes to day trading on the 1 minute, 3 minute and the 5 minute. I have enabled the trend catcher I use regularly, and the AI classifier setting is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1 is the lowest, the 4 is the most highest accuracy one, and that's all you need to do. Just hit the OK button if you done that. Now let's enable the price action concepts. It's crazy indicator, and it will give you everything you need about the price action, but we will use only a fair value gap, the show pattern zone, and the daily, Monday, weekly, monthly and quarterly zones. That's all you need to do. And if you want, you can enable the premium and discount zone for the highs and lows, but for this video I will not use that. But if you want, you can add this strategy, that thing. Now I will teach you how these indicators will work together. For the demonstration purposes, we are trading Nasdaq futures on the 1 minute, but this trading strategy can be worked very fine on the 3 minute, 5 minute, even you can go up until 15 minutes. Now we are watching the live market. We will watch everything that will come in our screen. So what we see now is a New York AM session. So we are trading at it, we are waiting for signal, and we got a 3 classified buy signal. As you guys know that it is highly accurate, and we are trading on the 1 minute, so we can capture some nice profits, no doubt that. And we will confirm with a fair value gap over here. Very easy, right? So you need 2 things, a fair value gap and this signal. After you get 2 of this, what we will look for is an order block, and boom, you can see it right here. So what you want to do is you will initiate a long position. I will go with the 2 contracts here, or if you trade minis, you can go up until like 10 contracts. Let's do 10 contracts here, and you can see my all orders here. So 3 classified buy signal, a bullish fair value gap, and the bullish order block. There is no doubt that we will lose money. There is like a maybe 90% chance that we will make money. So what we're gonna target is a recent highs. So let's switch up to higher time frames. This is where we're gonna use a higher time frames. You can see that we will look for targets over here. If you can see a target, you can aim for those highs. So what we're gonna do now is we will use 2 take profits here. We will took our profit when the price comes here, and we will took our profit when it comes to the next target. So let's start the trade over here. Let's roll the market. We are watching the market, and we are seeing what will happen now. So our stop loss will be just above this order block, by the way, or you can use the middle way of it, so you will be safe. No need to be FOMO, and just sit back and relax, wait for until the price come and fills you up. So this is our first target. Let's see if we get hit or miss. And as you can see that we just banked this trade and we are now up over $1,000. What we're gonna do now is we will sell a half of our position here. So the 5 contracts is gone and $575 now is on our pocket. So what we're gonna do now is we will put our stop loss to this fair value gap. Just under this fair value gap, our target is this high, so I think we cannot put our stop loss in the replay mode here because it's in the profit. You need to put your stop loss to the loss, something strange. But let's roll the market. We will watch out with the eye for our stop loss. Let's see if we get hit or miss. So market is rolling up. We are watching the market very closely. It's coming to our TP and boom. So we make $1,750 profit with just one NQ contract or 10 micro contract. Easy like that. You don't need to take 5 trades per day. The one trade is enough. Just aim for the best setup and shoot for it. You can see that our risk reward ratio was very nice. We took the latest profit here, 1 to 2, very good. And the chance for this setup was A+ setup. So as you see that we just bang. And this price action just coming from the today. I'm not cherry picking like always, because when I shoot this kind of videos, I want to show you real world example. This is just coming from the today. So let's roll the market for one more example. So after those highs taken, what we will look for is some kind of a pullback and some kind of a sell signal, right? The market is still going up and now we get a 2 classified a sell signal here, and you can see that we have very small bearish fair value gap. So we are waiting for a bearish order block. We got 2 classified sell signal. So what we are aiming for is initiating a short position somewhere here. We will put our stop loss to the recent resistance line and we will target the recent lows here or there. I think this will be a great spot. So it's like again 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So as you guys know that this is a perfect, again, another setup for our LuxAlgo Premium Toolkit. When we see a bearish fair value gap with the 2 classified sell signal, what we're gonna do now is we will initiate our short position here, and most probably we will get a bearish order block here. Let's roll the market. We will target this low over here and we can take some partials on the road. Let's see if we get hit or miss. We will put our stop loss recent resistance line here. So we are watching the market. We will take some partials here. We will take half of it because we have already hit some recent lows here, and we will move our stop loss to just break even. And already we got a bearish order block here. Everything going great. I think we will hit the target. Even you can just move this to here because you got all the confirmation you need and you are already in the profit. It's a zero risk trade, right? So let's roll the market to see what will happen. The market is tanking like we discussed here. Again, the bearish fair value gaps all around, some pullback, and we got a second bearish order block here. It's about to come and boom, here. The first one is here, the second one is here. So we got 2 bearish order block. This trade going crazy now. $1,500 already in the profit. Let's see if we take profit, and boom, just from this trade nearly we made $2,400. It's just crazy. You can see with your eyes that if you just follow the system that I teach you, 90% of the time you will reach your target or even lower. You can manage your risk on the way, so if something goes bad, you will make money in any way. As you see that how I managed my stop loss, you need to learn those things because the partials is the key. You need to pay yourself because markets can just make a correction from here, it can reach your stop loss and go down. It can happen. So that's why we will take partials on the road always, and we will manage our risk. So the first target reached here and we adjusted our second target because we see a clear lows here and we targeted that, and boom, we just banked this another trade. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this strategy. If so, please consider watching those videos. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nice and beach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.